Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. If you are here right now, that means that it's obviously Vlogmas. Yes, you guys, we are finally in that last home stretch of 2022 and it's December the 1st. I cannot believe it, but I'm definitely happy to be here with you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a bag that I actually had for 1 year because I actually received this bag last year for Christmas, for the holidays, but I haven't really been wearing this bag too much at all. While the bag is beautiful, tote bags tend to get kind of messy for me because I'm the kind of person, I'm going to throw everything in my purse. So I really have not been using this bag so much, but let's just get right into it, okay? So this is the small Cabata bag. It has the red bottoms. The inside is lined with red. And it also has a cute little pouch that also is fully lined with the red interior. So it's super cute, you guys. And I love the studded embellishments on the handle. Kind of just gives you that like little rock star effect, okay? So this bag, you guys, let me just show you. It is a beautiful bag, but see how it's just an open space right there? I haven't really been wearing this bag. I was on Amazon and I came across these bag organizers. So I said, well, let me just try this bag organizer so I can finally take my bag out and wear my bag. So I picked up this really cute red leopard bag organizer. Now this actually is a two-piece set. So this second part right here is actually going to function as a wallet or anything that you want to keep, you know, items more private because it does have that zipper for privacy. And this bag is finished with the gold hardware. Now the hardware on here is kind of like a pewter color, so it doesn't match hardware exactly. But no one's really gonna know, right? No one's really gonna know. So this second portion, it has Velcro on each side. And just like that, there you have it. So what I like about this bag is, first of all, she's cute, okay? Number one, she's super cute. And it has so many pockets, you guys. There's multiple pockets in the front, there's pockets on the inside, there's pockets in the back, there's a long pocket right here. Of course it has the zipper, but even the divider portion, it has multiple pockets on this part too. So you for sure can fit all of a girl's necessities, okay? And I'm talking about laptops, books, diapers. You can put anything in here because it's just so spacious. So let me go ahead and put the bag organizer inside. So I picked up the large. So let me show you up close how the organizer looks in the bag. And I think you guys are gonna really like this. So let me show you how the inside looks. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, the organizer fits in here so well that you really can't even tell that it doesn't come like this, right? And I'm not playing. Like, this bag looks like this is just the inside lining of the bag. Like, it really does match so nice. So the material of the bag organizer is this thick felt material, so it's gonna last you, I feel, throughout the years. It's gonna last you for years to come with no problems. But look how it looks, you guys. It looks so nice in this bag. I could definitely wear this bag now and not have to wonder or worry about my items not being able to be organized and things like that. And the Cabata bag does have this lobster clasp, so you can easily go ahead and still close the bag up and not have to worry about anything falling out. Now, isn't that super cute, you guys? Super cute. So what I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna make sure that I link all of the details for this organizer down below in the description box, so you guys could feel free to head over to Amazon and see if there's any organizers that you like for yourselves. Hey you guys, so this is just the beginning of Vlogmas 2022. I'm so excited to be participating in Vlogmas. You guys be sure to check me out on my community page, because I definitely drop various promotional codes. And also, if I see a deal, if I see a really good promotion going on, that's the place where I'm gonna drop the promotion and the code, so you guys can head over there. So you guys go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you guys like these bag organizers, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Happy Vlogmas. Happy shopping. See you guys next time.